and make this look good to read, in the sense I'll be adding some colors to my text to differentiate between the headings and the subheadings and also the normal text. So before I work, there is so in order to do that, if you observe the tools on this which are provided by WordPress by default, there is no way that you can adjust the font size and also the font style. So in order to apply some font style and font size to our text, actually what we need to do is, if you click on this text view, so this is the text, so I have to insert the tags before the text, so that there would be a font size and also font style attached to this text. So if you are really familiar with HTML, you can do it manually by adding the tags for each and every line, but yeah, there is an tool which we can use, so which automatically generates the tags, HTML tags. So for that we have this site called html.am. so this is a code generator where HTML code for whatever the text you write here, if you see there is already some text here, so if you click on source, you have some code that is generated automatically. The HTML code is generated automatically. So what I'll do is I'll just remove this entire text from here, and whatever text I wanted to work on, I'll put it here. So just like, so this is what I want, this is all my text, so I'm just copying it, and I'm just going to this html.am, and I will click on this. If you see an icon there, paste as plain text, so I'll just paste it there and click on OK. So now I have everything there. Now this helps me to adjust the select the font styles and also font sizes to my text, so that it really looks good to view on my live page. So here I'll just select all the text, and I'll just set the font to Times New Roman and the size to 18, so that it would be really legible to see even on mobile devices and all the screens, or even the small screens. It works really well. So that's the reason I'm setting it to 18 font size. So now the font is adjusted. So if you want to make any changes further over here, just like so there is no ordered list here, so I wanted to make this as an ordered list. This I want these 4 points as an you can even do this one in WordPress, but I'm doing it here. This is same as doing it over here, just using the ordered list. So I made that as an ordered list in instructional materials. So I will later work on these links, but as of now it looks good, I feel. So now the only thing that I have applied is I applied a font style and also font size. So these two things, if you want to if you want to have some font style and font size to your text, you have to use this tool like html.am. Why? Because you cannot get this facility over here. There is no way that you can attach some font style or size over here unless you know the HTML. So this helps in generating the code automatically. So if you click on the source over here, you have all the HTML tags that are needed. If you observe the HTML tags clearly, you will understand that there is some font for every text. There is some font size which I set it to 18 pixels, and also the font family Times New Roman. So this is the font style. So for every text line of text in my page, I applied this this setting. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead, and what I need to grab from here is what is in between the body tags. So this is the body tag starts here. So I'll just copy from this p tag. So this is a paragraph tag till where the body tag ends. So I'll I'll just copy all the content in between the body tags. So this is till here, so I'll just copy this and I'll come to this page, and if I click on this text view, there is something this which I already typed in. So I'll just select all this and remove it from here, and what I copied from html.am, I'll post that code in the text view of my WordPress page. So once I click on visual, now I have something like this. So now you can see that there is a font size and font style attached to my this. So actually I've lost this list properties for this, so let me go ahead and put the list properties to this. So I'm making it as an order list. So even this one I'll make it as an ordered list. And these three as an ordered list. The reason why I'm doing this is I can differentiate what is the text and what between the subheadings and the main text. So now I have everything ready. With the only thing I need to do now is I'll even